Hello and welcome back to Tea in the Deep Blue Sea. Today's video is another in my Great British Marine Life series. This episode will be featuring the common octopus, also known as Octopus vulgaris. The common octopus is one of the most studied of all octopus species. It is a globally common species with its range extending from the Mediterranean Sea through southern England and the southern coast of South Africa. Like with most octopuses, it has a fairly short lifespan of 1 to 2 years. Common octopuses can grow up to nearly 1.3 metres, although on average they are much smaller. Common octopuses hunt at dusk and prey on crabs, crayfish and other mollusks. They use their beak to bite and paralyse prey with their venom, which is not fatal to humans. Sometimes they will use ink to disorientate their prey before attacking. The common octopus has a variety of techniques used to avoid attacks, and also to stop attacks. This includes ink, camouflage and evasive behaviour. If the octopus is discovered, it can release a cloud of black ink. This obscures the view of the predator and gives the octopus time to swim away. The ink can even dull the predator's sense of smell, making it harder for them to track the fleeing octopus. They have neuromuscular organs in their skin known as chromatophores, which enable the octopus to change colour and even texture to avoid being detected. They are fast swimmers and can use this to their advantage, as well as being an invertebrate, with the only hard part of their body being their parrot-like beak, so they can squeeze through tiny gaps that predators may not be able to fit through. They can also lose an arm and later regrow it. Octopuses are highly intelligent creatures. Training experiments have shown that common octopuses can distinguish the brightness, size, shape, and horizontal or vertical orientation of objects. They can navigate mazes, unscrew jars, recognise people, and even raid lobster traps. The common octopus has also been observed creating gardens where they collect marine plant life, shells, algae, and rocks. The common octopus has not yet been evaluated for the IUCN Red List as of 2022, and its current population trend is unknown. An interesting fact about O. vulgaris is that they were the first invertebrate animal to be protected by the Animals Scientific Procedures Act 1986 in the UK. Subscribe for more interesting marine facts. And don't forget, National Octopus Day is just around the corner, so there is a lot more octopus content coming your way. Remember to like this video, comment down below and subscribe for more. Don't forget to hit that bell for notifications to know when I next upload. Thank you very much for watching and I hope you enjoy the rest of your day. Cheers.